Today, not too bad of a start for us, but we'll still have some scattered showers and some gusty winds today. More widespread rain, some pockets of heavier rain on Saturday. It will be breezy and warm. Then a big shock to the system on Sunday as those temperatures drop back down to the January feel, down into the 30s, wind chills into the teens. On top of it, we're going to throw in some flakes as well. I'll be timing that out here just about a minute or so. But look at these temperatures this morning. It feels really nice out. 54. Waking up in Pittsburgh and Washington, Greensburg at 55, 53 into Katanning, Franklin, you're at 50 degrees. A little bit cooler there in those higher elevations, Somerset at 43. But we're going to be paying attention to those winds gusting 25 to some spots even in the afternoon up to 35 miles per hour. It is going to get a bit on the breezy side as this cold front will be approaching. Now, we do have some drier air in place. That's good. We want it to eat up the rain. Our ground is already so saturated. We are still seeing some of those showers into Akron and Cleveland pushing northward, but taking a look just to our west, you can see that well-defined line. That front will be moving through as we get into the afternoon. That's really when those winds are going to start to ramp up. So we'll be in the low 60s today. 50s on Saturday with some rain, and then again temperatures will be dropping. Those wind chills will be into the teens. What looks nice though is our Steelers forecast, which has been holding strong pretty much all week long. Partly cloudy skies, cold, a light breeze. Wind chills will be into the 20s, so not too bad for us, but overall it should be a nice night for some football. So let's time out this rain today. We'll see a few isolated showers 6-7 o'clock into Lawrence, also in Mercer, Venango. Those showers that are out near Cleveland could clip some of our counties north. And that's really where we could still see some of that rain around 7-8 o'clock. And then very hit or miss, but 3-4 o'clock, not so much worried about the rain, but those winds that do pick up, especially as kids are coming home from school. As that front sweeps through, a few breaks in the clouds, that's short-lived. We will have mostly cloudy skies. And this has been consistent as well. A pretty dry start for the early morning on Saturday. Then this rain is going to sweep in. This low is coming in from the south. That's what's wreaking havoc down near Texas and also into Louisiana. But we're going to have the rain around lunchtime, late morning lunch hour. Pockets of heavy rain 4 or 5 o'clock, and then expecting that to roll on out. Here comes the cold air. A little sunshine to kick off our Sunday. Then we'll have those flakes flying around. It all depends on the wind direction. But right now we could see some lake enhanced snow showers, especially north and east. Still does not look like a whole lot of accumulation around the area. Again, this could change if those winds do shift more westerly, but overall we could see about a coating to a ½ an inch, a little bit higher up along I-80 and into those mountains east. We'll take a little dip and then we rebound back up into the 40s as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. So we'll be watching Wednesday. The timing of the rain coming in, if the onset of it could have a few flakes as those temperatures will be down into the 30s. But all eyes have been on Monday.